Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a flower beaded ring. I got one request for this video, so here it is. Let's get straight into it. First, we need to cut our thread. I cut about 3 feet, but I had a lot of extra at the end, so I recommend cutting about 2. Now we can get started on our first flower. So I'm doing a green one, so I'm going to add 1 green, which is like your petal color, and then 1 yellow, which is the pollen, like the center of your flower, and then 3 more of your petal color, which is of course green for me, and it should look just like this. Now we can let our beads fall all the way to the bottom. We're going to leave a few inches at the end of our thread because we'll need them at the end. Now you can take the top of your thread and weave it downwards into the petal color that's at the very bottom, so that green one. And you can pull that through, and once it's tight you have about half of your first flower. To finish our first flower, we're going to take our thread and add 2 more of your petal color, and then you're going to weave your thread downwards through the bead that is right below your center color. So it's that green bead that is directly below the yellow bead, downwards into it just like that. And once you pull all of your thread through, you have gotten your first flower done, and it is so cute. Alright, to get started on our second flower, we're doing the same steps, but I'm switching the colors. So it's going to be a yellow flower this time. So 1 yellow, 1 green, and then 3 yellows on top. Let it fall to the bottom, and then take your thread and weave it downwards into the yellow bead that's at the very bottom. Just like that, and then pull it through. And then just like last time, 2 more of your petal colors go on top, and then at the bottom we're going to weave it through the bead that is right below your center color. So that yellow bead that's right below the green bead. Weave it downwards just like that, and once you pull it through, you've got your second flower. So you can just repeat this step over and over until you have enough length to fit around your finger, and just check the length throughout this process to see where you're at. If you need more, if you need to take some off, just go through the process until it looks like it'll fit, and then I'll show you how to close it up. This is how much length I needed to complete my ring, so we are good to go. I wrapped it around my ring finger just to make sure that I had enough room, and if both of your ends meet up good, then you are ready to go. So first we can take the top of our thread and weave it through some of the petals in our flower. So I'm going to go through 2 of the green beads. It doesn't really matter what direction you go in as long as you're just going through a flower. It just needs to be secure. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to weave it through the center color, which is that yellow bead. And then we're going to continue going around the petals, like in a little circle sort of, and we're going to go through 1 more green bead, and then another green bead, and then after that, we can really finish closing it. Okay, so now you should have 2 ends of wire. We have the little tail from the very beginning, and then we have that long piece. So we're going to use those and basically tie a knot. It's sort of hard for me to explain. It's pretty visual, but it's sort of like how you would tie your shoes, just without the bow tie. So you're just going around, making one piece of your thread go underneath each other, pulling it tight. Sort of hard to explain. And then now, to finish closing it out, we're going to make another knot. So we're going to join the 2 pieces of thread together. As you can see, like they're aligned right now. And you're going to make a little circle and put your thread through the bottom and go up, and then pull it through and sort of push down the knot so that it's as close to the ring as it can be. And then once you've got that, you can just cut off your extra ends and you are done. Also, if you have a little bit of a bump of where you closed off your ring where the knot is, when you put on your ring, flip it inside out so that the knot is against your finger, because then on the outside nobody can see it and it looks really seamless. You can't tell at all, and I think it looks great. Here's our final ring. I think it turned out absolutely spectacular. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I would love to hear what you guys think. But I hope you all have an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.